Hi everyone, this is one of the best Black Friday deals available now. As a business owner, you need to be able to grow your business through inbound and outbound marketing campaigns. To do that, you need to do SEO, paid ads, email marketing, and many other digital marketing strategies. In addition, you need to have ready conversion funnels, landing pages, marketing automation, webinars, web push notifications, sign up forms, and more. All these to acquire leads as consumers show interest in what you have to offer. GetResponse has all these tools to help you do that and with minimal effort. Now, during this Black Friday sale, you can save up to 40% for life with GetResponse. Before we continue, remember to subscribe and get updates on the best Black Friday deals for your online business. GetResponse has all-in-one tools to promote growth for your businesses through inbound and outbound marketing campaigns. These include email marketing, conversion funnels, landing pages, marketing automation, website builder, webinars, web push notifications, sign-up forms, and even paid ads. Most people are familiar with the fact that GetResponse is an email service provider, and rightly so. This was what GetResponse first offered to the market. Today, their email marketing feature is a powerful email marketing software with professional email templates, easy design tools, and proven deliverability. You can use this feature to build and grow your email list. There are things like newsletters that can enable you to send one-time email broadcasts with updates and special offers. There are autoresponders for you to create automated email sequences to follow up with and nurture your subscribers. For example, a welcome email. There are so many types of emails and newsletters that they provide and you can use. When you join, do learn them all and see which ones are the best for your business. GetResponse has gone beyond email marketing. Today, they have a wide range of services to help your business grow and increase sales and revenue. I'm going to discuss their conversion funnel. Along the way, you can see many other features they have added since their early days. First, about their conversion funnel. It is a ready-made automated sales funnel creator. Would you like to build your landing pages, automate your emails, sell your products, recover abandoned orders and carts, and convert your customers? This feature can do it all for you. First, you start with driving high-quality traffic to your business. You do so by doing Facebook and Instagram ads. With their social ads creator, you can buy targeted advertising on Facebook and Instagram right in GetResponse and start driving high-quality traffic to your landing pages. When you send traffic to your landing page, you will need a powerful and effective one. The landing page feature can easily create beautiful, high-converting pages optimized for your business goals. It can help you enable simple opt-in so that people can join your list. Speaking of sign-up forms, they're built into your landing pages and automatically set up for your campaign. Just add the fields you need. There are also exit intent pop-ups. These help you to get more conversions by capturing the email addresses of visitors who are about to leave your page. All you need to do is customize the content. After you have managed to get people to join your mailing list, it is time to nurture your new leads. With autoresponders and automation tools, you can set up automated email campaigns to welcome your new contacts and nurture them with targeted email communications. This is so that they're more likely to buy from you. There is also a webinars feature that you can use to build relationships and turn your expertise into a commodity with free or paid webinars. It is included at GetResponse, so you don't have to pay extra for a webinar service. Then, of course, there is the all-important sales element of this conversion funnel. There are sales pages where you can customize your sales pages and order form templates in seconds to sell your products and services online. You can also add and manage your digital and physical products in GetResponse. Plus, you can automatically include them on your pages and in your emails. With e-commerce integrations, you can connect your shopping cart and import your products from Etsy, Stripe, Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, WooCommerce, and PrestaShop. Abandoned orders and carts are the biggest issues for an e-commerce store. With GetResponse abandoned order emails, you can convince people to complete the orders they have left behind by sending them perfectly timed emails that you don't even have to set up. Then there is the product recommendations feature where you can automatically recommend new products based on customers' previous purchases. It is said that it costs less to get sales from an existing customer than a new customer. With the one-click upsell pages, you can increase your revenue and promote limited time offers immediately after a customer's purchase. GetResponse has payment processors that can connect your customers to Square, Stripe, PayPal, BlueSnap, and PayU without even leaving the app. Simply sell your products and services right on your GetResponse page. And with automated order confirmations, you can send an order confirmation email within seconds of the purchase, all without lifting a finger. There are plenty more features and tools at GetResponse. There is the website builder that can help you build a website easily. And as mentioned earlier, there is the webinar builder. This is a no-download, easy-to-use webinar builder. With it, you can connect with your audience anywhere, anytime to increase conversions and engagement. Then there is the website push notifications. This feature helps you to connect with your audience anywhere, anytime to increase conversions and engagement too. It is a native web push notification tool to engage and convert. With this feature, you can send web push notifications on desktop and mobile browsers to promote new offers or content to grow your list and make more sales. On top of it all, GetResponse has training that offers you superb marketing tips and insights. Their teams stay at the forefront of best practices, latest trends, and up-to-date insights so that they can continuously share their inspirations and knowledge with you through webinars, ebooks, courses, videos, guides, reports, infographics, and more. For example, they have training on how to build successful funnels. The training shows you how to build a lead funnel that actually works. You can learn tips and tactics on how to generate leads, nurture prospects, and drive conversions. The GetResponse basic plan goes for as low as $12 plus a month, but take note, the price may differ depending on geolocations. And here are the price plans. This Black Friday, GetResponse has the following offers. Do take note, the discounts have a limited quantity. There will only be 2021 accounts available for the discounts. As soon as that limit is reached, standard rates will resume. So grab it quickly before it's gone. Go to the description below and click on the link now. With so much to offer, GetResponse is definitely worth getting and using for your business, especially to help your business to grow and increase sales and revenue. The prices for the plans are very reasonable, and now on top of that, with the Black Friday sale, you can get a really good deal now. So don't miss it. Go to the description below and click on the link now. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.